cut the ends off to save yourself a bit of work on taking the nails out. So instead of taking 8 nails out, take your 4 nails out. And then get your piece of wood under there, and there, get that piece of wood off the floor. And also by taking the ends off, you haven't got to do this another 2 times as well. So you've got your bits of wood under there to raise the plank on your pallet up off the floor. So easy as that. Pallet apart. So then we've got nice long planks to finish off the bamboo planter. A lot quicker than messing about with 2 crowbars. Then all you need to take the nails out, hammer and pliers, just in case the nail bends and won't come through. And then you can even reuse the nails if you take them out straight enough. So then, say if one bent, like, oh, it's not going out in that. So now obviously you've weakened, the nail's weakened as well, so it's been bent. So then bend it back straight as you can get it. Then hold the end of the nail with your pliers like that. These are pretty decent nails. Sometimes you get them where like the whole pallet's a bit old and the nails are rusty, so they're weak anyway. These are going sweet. So claw hammer, pliers, a couple of blocks of wood, take any pallets apart, rapid.